Now we are going to check the demo for Kannada text summarizer project. Here there are three Python files we used: create GSS, main, TF. So create GSS will create the GSS core value, coefficient value for the content. Basically we have taken three data JSON files like which contain some of the data. So these are all the URL and content available in URLs. The content is in Kannada for Kannada, so it is showing U0 like that. It's showing the content is, this is the content, each word showing like U00 like that. So this is this content is read by the GSS and it will create a pickle score file. This is the created pickle file. Now I will execute the project. Main.py is the UI design, TK inter UI designed. We are calling it. TF is the summarizer Python file. It does the summarization job. So this is the, we have to browse the data set here. Like we can browse and we can create the GSS. This will take few minutes, so I just pass now. So once the GSS file is created, it's showing with a alert message. So the pickle file will be created. Now we can load the data. So this is the text, Kannada text. Now I am giving text summary. So summarization is done. This is the original data and this is the summarized data. And you can see the sentence and its score value here, like 3.8, 3.1, 2.2, 2.7. So these are all the score values generated. So here, this is the data, text data that we are loading. This is the original data we are loading, and we are getting the summary of the data. We can give another input also. So this is the output of the summarized data. Thank you.